welcome back. Today we're going to have a Chinese style chicken cooked in a Dutch oven on a stovetop. And don't forget, all the recipes on this channel are found on the description below. So the recipe for this video is in the description below and you can cook along at home. So let's go check this out. Okay, we have roughly a 3-pound chicken. What I did was I rinsed it off. I took all the innards out, the heart and all that, the liver. Rinse it off. And then what we're going to do, we're going to cut this down and cut the legs off, cut it into 8 pieces. The thigh, wings, breast. We'll cut it down and we'll get it prepped for the Dutch oven. Okay, we have our chicken all sliced up. I took the skin off the breast. It's just a personal preference. So we have a Dutch oven heating up. We're going to put a clove of garlic in there. A third of a cup of soy. And a quarter cup of white vinegar. And then we're going to place our chicken in there. And we're going to simmer for about an hour. We're going to be turning this and flipping this chicken about every 15 minutes or so. Okay, it's been about a half hour. I flipped it once already. And man, does this smell good. Give these a little flip again. As you can see, some of the skin is turning a little brownish, golden brown. So we got about another half hour. Make sure these breasts are cooked. Let this simmer and reduce down. In the meantime, while that's cooking, I prepared a pot of white rice. And we're just going to mix this up. To dump it into our serving platter. And just like so. Okay, it's been roughly an hour. I already tested it. It's up to temp. And you can see how this is pulled back from the bone. And it smells very delicious. So we have our rice or serving platter. And we're just going to place this chicken right on top of the serving platter. Just like so. Drain it just a little bit. This beautiful chicken breast. And we can't forget our chicken wings. And there you have it. Now we are going to make a sauce to go over top. Okay, now we want to make our sauce. So we took a third of a cup of the juices out of the Dutch oven, and we're just going to strain all the loose pieces of chicken and garlic, whatever debris we have there. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And then we're going to whisk this up and get this hot. Okay, we're whisking this up. This should take about, well, that's about it, right there, where it gets too hot. Okay, I actually added just a little bit more of the juice and mixed it. It got a tad thick, as you saw. When you're working with cornstarch, you got to move quick. So we're just going to drizzle this over the chicken. Now to garnish, we're going to add some broccoli. This is going to add some color to the dish. And there you have it. Chinese style chicken cooked in a Dutch oven. All right, I'm going to give this a try. I'm just going to grab one of these legs here. Probably that's the one that has the most sauce on it. The sauce is thick, but it's very flavorful. Yeah, you can, oh wow, the soy really sets it off. It's completely soaked through. Very nice. The sauce, you can ad-lib it, you can make it thinner. I left that video clip on there to show you how fast things can turn. And, you know, gas, it's a lot easier working. Electric's a little bit more funny, but as it keeps the heat. I added some more juices. I thinned it out a little bit more. It's still a little thick, but you know what? This is just as tasty because this is home cooking. So, recipes in the description. And we're going to see, this is a Classical Gourmet, and we're going to see you next time. Happy cooking.